The Wrenwane timer is the perfect accessory for cooking, games, timeouts and classroom activities. With just 3 simple controls to add minutes, seconds, and start and stop. It can act as a timer counting down or as a stopwatch. Notice there's also no beeping when setting the timer. The alarm is loud and clear and can easily be heard in the next room. Notice the timer also remembers the last setting used. Makes it easy if you frequently cook things like an egg. The timer is a HTN screen, crystal clear and can be seen from all angles. There is an on-off switch to save on battery if you so desire, though the battery drainage is minimal and with an hour's use a day the battery should last over a year. There's 3 placements, either pull out the stand and place it on the counter, you can tie some cord through the hook or wear it around your neck, and finally the most popular, place it on the refrigerator door or any metallic surface. We hope you enjoy this extremely simple to use and effective timer from Wrenwane.